The scale of NAMIC AM Summit this year is unprecedented. We've gone from single to multiple industry tracks, and we have gone global. We've partnered with Hannover Messe, the world leader in industry technology fairs, to hold the NAMIC Global AM Summit with Industry Transformation Asia Pacific, Hannover Messe's first ever Asia Pacific event.
We've gathered 12 AM startups to showcase, not only from Singapore, but also the US, the UK and Taiwan. The work they're doing is truly amazing and deserves to be shown in such a large-scale event. Some of them are applying AM to new and interesting areas like food, footwear and upcycling. Others are stretching the limits of what AM can do in established areas, such as component engineering, aerospace and biomedical manufacturing.
Firstly, we'd like to showcase what we do with 3D printing, especially in the medical area with medical implants, which is still a very an area that is not commonly showcased. But also the other thing is we like to look around to find out what are the latest technology that could actually help with our manufacturing.
We are most looking forward to announcing our partnership with NAMIC to the world and speaking on the panels where we will share insights on additive manufacturing startups and raising funds.
那基本上来说，因为主要这个 event 是 held 在新加坡，那新加坡是一个非常 internationalized 的一个城市。那我们希望说，在新加坡这个城市这样的一个 event， 我们可以去跟全世界去宣扬我们的理念。对。
The partnership with NAMIC means a lot to us because they've been with us from the very beginning, and working with them has allowed us to bring the Magic Candy Factory and our new concepts, Nourished and Scripted, to this part of the world where we meet new collaborative partners and hopefully make more business.